How many grams of toner you need to refill a Samsung cartridge? The Samsung toners are quite universal. You can use a good black Samsung toner in almost all Samsung cartridges, but every cartridge has a different capacity. In the description of this video, you'll find a list of cartridges with the toner capacity. The weights are in grams. I'll update the list as new Samsung models come out. If your printer isn't in the list, write a comment. I'll insert your model in the list. Note that it's not important to use exact quantity of toner into the cartridge. 10-20 grams more or less does nothing. You can even fill the cartridge up to the limit. The printer will print the same. The problem is that you risk to waste toner. The chip of the cartridge will stop the machine after it reaches the expected number of print for that model. Not important how much toner is left into the cartridge. Reusing the toner left in the cartridge is risky. You could obtain low quality prints or background. Then, inside the toner hopper, there are toner steering blades. They rotate, mixing the toner and pushing the toner towards the toner roller. If there is too much toner, they could bind, causing a tooth of the gear to break or damaging the printer. Note that often you can't refill a low-yield cartridge with the grams of the high-yield toner cartridge. The low-yield toner cartridges have a smaller toner container.